Look, it snowed here. Dude, it snowed here in India. In India, I thought in India will never snow. Well, now I'm wrong. In India it does snow. Oh my god, my fingers are freezing. Hey Monroe, the snow is even hit the window. The window. Hey man, it snowed in India. Oh, it's slippery. Bro, it is. Oh man. Oh, it hit the window. Looks like weather's coming to snow in India. It even broke a window in the back. What was that? No! No! Trying to zoom in. Okay. No! I'm wondering, scared of the snow. Hey, how about Jackson? It was a little bit fun, right? It snowed. That's how the video was made. It snowed. Hey, Jackson. Oh, sorry. Jackson. Oh, okay. See you in the next video. Subscribe.